Hello and welcome to Miss Mac's Book Bag. I'm Miss Mac. And on this show, we hope to share our love of reading and hopefully spark a love of reading for you. On today's episode, we have a very special book that we'll be reading together. The story we have today is called Mrs. Fickle's Pickles, written by Lori Ries and illustrated by Nancy Cote. The story is about Mrs. Fickle growing her own pickles to compete at the fair. We hope you enjoy Mrs. Fickle's Pickles.
Mrs. Fickle likes her pickles. She plants each tiny seed. Mrs. Fickle likes her pickles. They're growing fast, indeed. Mrs. Fickle likes her pickles. She plants them with great care. Mrs. Fickle likes her pickles. She'll bring them to the fair. Mrs. Fickle likes her pickles. They hold the flavor in. Mrs. Fickle likes her pickles. She hopes that they will win. Mrs. Fickle likes her pickles. Pickles are lots of fun. But Mrs. Fickle loves her pickles sitting on her tongue.
That was a fun rhyming story. Do you like to eat pickles? We are so happy that you can be here with us for Mrs. Fickle's Pickles. That's all we have today. Join us next time for another fantastic episode of Miss Mac's Book Bag. And remember, keep shining bright because you are a light. Goodbye.
A special thanks to author Lori Ries for letting us read her book in today's episode. If you'd be interested in purchasing the book for yourself, you can find it on Amazon.
If you are an author and have a children's book you think would be great for Miss Mac's Book Bag, contact us at the email listed, and we would love to consider you for a future episode.